is. Whatever you want to say, you can tell us right now and we'll listen back.
Bell's lying.
Yeah, see?
Oh, I heard it.
Yeah.
What the?
Told you!
Dude.
Okay, thank you.
There's something like right here.
There's
just like
something here.
not
Yeah,
talking.
I saw.
Just like hanging out right here.
Are you trying to open up your cigars?
Here, you want me to?
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, do we have the lighter?
I don't know if I'll open it, but maybe like
I mean,
see if it'll like lit.
Yeah.
I mean, I wouldn't mind opening it for him.
Yeah?
Yes. Okay.
Do you want this one that has the green on it?
Because we keep hearing the plastic. It seems like you're trying to open your cigar.
Do you want this bigger cigar?
Did we move something that you didn't want moved? Yes.
Yeah.
This was on
Where's
his, this was on his workbench.
Okay. Was there anything else that was somewhere else?
No, these are all where they were.
Do you want that one I just put there?
There's the cap.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh.
Okay, I guess open it
You want to
up.
open it?
Yeah. Yeah, sorry if we were moving things.
I'm just gonna turn this around. Probably have to open these things.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what you want?
Guess I'm doing good.
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah.
This is the most like
This is wild.
direct contact we've had all night. You should put it
Looks
on the
pretty
plastic.
tasty.
See if we can hear it again.
All right, there you go.
Is that your favorite cigar? Yeah.
This chaining events is nuts with that.
Can you touch the cat ball that's sitting next to the cigar?
Like roll it.
Do you get a lot of visitors down here? Yeah.
You do get a lot of visitors in this room or in the? Okay,
No.
wow. I would say yes.
Yeah. That seems
In this room, I guess this one only worked for
maybe
a
no.
bell.
Do you like that people come down here and visit you?
Maybe we should listen to that back.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We'll listen back to it since you didn't ding the bell in case you said something, okay?
We can light that cigar up with a lighter. Do you want us to do that?
Oh, shit.
Right where it is?
Or do you want us to just leave it there the way it is? Without a clear answer, we're not going to light it without your permission.
He wants us to light it?
I think we've had enough confirmation.
That he wants it
I
lit.
have to go down this.
Yeah.
I just felt something on my leg.
Yeah. Okay. I'm going to.
Is someone touching you?
Second EVP in the boiler room. We just sent Colton to go get the lighter so we can light the cigar for you. Okay, so we have the lighter here and the cigar.
Can I just leave that green on it? Yeah. That green.
Yeah, it's fine. We don't have a cigar cutter, sorry.
Oh, do you have to puff it?
Yeah.
Do you smoke cigars or no?
Is it okay if I puff your cigar so it will light? Otherwise, I don't think it's gonna light. It was in the container, right? Oh, it's
Oh,
working.
there it goes.
There you go. Do you want us to set it down and step away?
Here, we'll set it right by the recorder. Is that enough? Here.
I can light it up more, yeah.
Did you jump on my phone?
Ooh, I smell it. I love the smell of cigars.
There you go.
That's awesome.
That does smell really good.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Do you want me to light it up some more?
We have some friends who want to come talk to you. They're really nice. Is it okay if they come down as well? We have to go upstairs. But if you want, they can always light the cigar again for you. You just have to ring the bell like you have been to let them know you want it.
I'll put it back on your bench where you wanted it before, with the lighter next to it.
It smells so good.
I'll
It does.
light it up again just for before we leave.
Thank you so much for talking to us.
Thank you.
And thanks for letting us be in your space. So we're back. We brought some friends, if that's okay. They heard you have a good cigar collection.
Are you okay with us? Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yep.
I was gonna ask, are you okay with us bringing our friends?
We've been here before, but I don't think we've ever been back in this room. So we appreciate you letting us back into your space.
Did you spend most of your time here?
Do you want me to light up the cigar again? Yeah, okay. I will do that.
Do you like a good glass of whiskey along with a cigar? Yeah.
My type of guy. Do you like to listen to music back here while you're working?
What kind of whiskey do you like? I like bourbon. Do you like bourbon?
Did you leave the room?
If you're still here, can you ring the bell?
Thank you.
Like, don't leave us. Do you want us to listen back to see what you said?
Or are you ready for us to be out of your hair? Do you want us to get out of your space?
You guys hear that? It's not upstairs.
I think it's a hard part.
Yeah. once for yes and twice for no. Yeah, that was a card one.
I'm gonna light the cigar again, just ring it twice if you don't want me to. You do want me to, okay.
I know.
Look at that.
I don't smell the cigar anymore. Is Colton not good at his job? It's his first time smoking a cigar. You have to forgive him.
Yeah. Here you go.
Maybe we should take a listen back. Sure. Yeah. If you have any other message you want to share with us, please do so now. Thank you. I'll leave mine.
There you go.
What's that?
Thank you.
Oh, that did kind of sound like thank you.
There you go.
I don't know what it says.
Are you still in the same spot, or do you want me to move the cigar?
Do you want us to light a different cigar?
One last opportunity. Do you want me to light the cigar? Ring the bell for yes. Okay.
I was gonna say, I know it takes a lot of energy. I think we should have lit it either way, but thanks for the confirmation. I would like one more whiff of this cigar. It smells great. Thank you for sharing it with us.
Thank you for talking.
Yep. There you go.
We hope to come back. Yeah, thanks.
Oh, did you sing it again?